Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to declutter, clean out, purge, all that good stuff, my holiday decor as well as my pantry. Today is also a Clean With Me collaboration, and it's hosted by Charmaine Rosalie, and I will tell you more about her and the playlist in just a bit. But for now, let's go ahead and start decluttering. After I finished decorating for fall, I pretty much put everything that I didn't use from my decorations into this one box. So now that I've gone through the fall season, it's time to take the fall decorations down. So I go in this box and start kind of just going through everything that's in there and asking myself, did I miss this? Is this something that, I can do without? And I'm either throwing away things that may just kind of be broken, or I'm putting them in Walmart bags to take to Goodwill. And this kind of gets me into the groove of out of sight, out of mind. So if I didn't miss it, I probably don't need it. I did also have this bigger box, and you can see I'm going through it as well. So I get quite a bit out of this box as well. But what this does is it helps me to kind of pare down my decorations, combine everything into one box, empty another box, so that hopefully I can have less on my storage shelves. This was the before picture of the brown storage bin, and this is the after, so I think I did pretty good. Now I have finished decorating for Christmas, and this is pretty much everything that I didn't use. Well, most of the stuff that I didn't use. And so I'm going to do the same thing with this one. And the thing with doing it this way is now that I've decorated, I'm going to put, give away stuff, have everything left in the box. Then at the end of the season, I'll go back through this box and ask myself the same, did I need this question? All right, I actually found another bin that was full, and obviously I wasn't using it. I did find a couple of things that I hadn't been able to find. That's because it was in this little box. So I went through it, emptied it out. This is what this box looks like now, and it was full and overflowing. So I was able to get rid of most of this stuff. There's some things I just don't want to get rid of because it's stuff that I use as fillers kind of. So I don't want to get rid of any of that. But this box is full of things that I'm going to take to like Goodwill or whatever. So I was able to purge quite a bit out of my Christmas decorations. And not to mention, this is now empty. And then this is stuff that was in my fall decor boxes when I put all my fall decorations up. So I got 5 bags, like 5 Walmart size bags, full of fall decor that I don't use anymore, that I will also be able to take to Goodwill. The pantry kind of needs to be redone every now and then, and it's time because, let's face it, we're going to be getting into baking, and we want to make sure that we have everything we need and not too much of what we don't need. All right, here's my pantry, and it's been a while since I have come in here and decluttered and purged, so that's what I'm gonna do now. need to restock my paper and plastic goods drawer with the Christmas plates, so that's what I'm doing. I'm also going to make sure that I replenish the little kind of dessert plates and the paper bowls. And this is how I keep my my paper goods drawer organized, and it works real well for our family. It's always a good idea a few times a year, maybe at the change of a season, I don't know, just whenever it works best for you, to kind of just go through your pantry and purge out things that, you know, have expired, or things that you may have multiples of that you can combine. Like, I forgot I had these Brazil nuts, so I was able to put them in a jar. They're going to be on the shelf where they can be seen, and I won't forget about them. But so yeah, I just throw expired things away, then put stuff back, you know, neatly, and that way I can find the things that, you know, that I'm looking for. It's especially good to go through all of your baking supplies. Like right now, everybody is getting ready for Christmas. Everybody's getting their baking done. So it's a good time to go through your baking boxes or all your baking supplies, your spices, just to see if, you know, there's anything that you need to toss. And that way it makes it clearer what you still need. I do have a box in my pantry that I keep extra things in, like, you know, when I fill my flour container, whatever's left in the bag, I put it in this box. So I'm going to go through that box, empty stuff out. Now I'm going to refill the storage jars that I have in my pantry. Don't forget to check out the host of this collab, her channel at Charmaine Rosalie here on YouTube, and check out her channel. She's going to give you tons of cleaning motivation, and also make sure to check the playlist in the description box below. And when you go visit everyone's channel, make sure to tell them I sent you. Here is the pantry now that I have, you know, gone through and purged stuff, emptied out baskets, thrown stuff away, refilled jars. But now what this does is it allows me to look in my baking box and see what I have and what I need. This is my quick breakfast box, my chip box. Now that my jars are refilled, I can look at all of my jars to see, you know, I need rice, okay? I need some oatmeal. So that's what's good about doing it that way. So I'm really happy with what I decluttered from my holiday decor, because I emptied out at least one, well, maybe even two full boxes of Christmas decor that I just am not using. So that's less for me to have to store. And then my fall, probably a whole storage bin of stuff. So I'm very pleased with that. And I'm happy to get my pantry restocked, my baking stuff cleared out. So now I know exactly what I need to get from the store, what I have. I can make my list much easier now. So makes me feel better, makes me be able to breathe a little bit better. But I want to thank Charmaine so much for hosting this collaboration. Make sure to check out her channel. Again, I will leave her channel link in the description box, as well as a link to the playlist of all of the people that are taking part in this cleaning motivation collaboration. So make sure to check them out. But if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like home decor, home organization, meal ideas, shopping hauls, then I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, click the bell button because it lets you know every time I upload a new video. And also leave me a comment below and tell me, hey, I would like to meet you. But also please give this video a thumbs up because it lets YouTube know that you're watching my channel. Stay tuned for a lot more holiday videos. You're not going to want to miss it. I will see you next time. Bye.